Explain like I'm 5. Why do pipes make clanging noises when hot water goes through them? Removed. Clanging can be caused by two things. Expansion of the pipes and air in the pipes if you have radiator loops. Just got my boiler serviced. The pressure of the water causes the pipe to move slightly, similar to how a water hose moves when you turn it on. So when that happens, the pipe can bang against anything that's near it. They do not clang from the water per se. They clang from the presence of air in the pipes. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.